Jordan brand is embracing the spirit of renewal with a fresh pastel-themed release for spring 2026. The Air Jordan 3 Spring is in the air. While no official images have surfaced yet, early details paint a vivid picture of the design. The upper features a sail leather base with white underlays, complemented by mossy pastel green accents on the toe and heel. Soft pink Nike Air branding appears on the heel, echoing the pastel pink outsole and adding a gentle, seasonal touch. The midsole combines sail with a subtle blue tint, completing the airy aesthetic. This upcoming release thoughtfully blends iconic Jordan 3 elements, like the OG Nike Air branding and classic tooling, with a refined spring-ready palette. According to Sneaker Market, the colorway is becoming clearer, showcasing a sophisticated balance between heritage and seasonal style. Expect more updates and first looks as the sneaker's spring 2026 release window draws near.